If you've lost access to your AngelList account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the AngelList login page. Go to the AngelList website and click on the login option. This will take you to the page where you can enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRUC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for a password reset email from AngelList. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Click on the link provided in the email to reset your password. Once you've reset a new password, you should be able to log into your account successfully. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to AngelList support for further assistance.